everybody. Today on Liam's Train Time, we're going to be doing a racing themed track. And we're gonna take race cars, we're gonna take trains, and we're gonna put them down a racetrack using our BRIO tracks. Are you ready for this challenge?
Yes!
Liam and I have been practicing on how to kind of bake like big hills. So we're gonna make a bunch of hills, and then they have to be mirror each other, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to mirror the hills so that we can start at the top and send everything down. Let's grab all the hills that we can. I think that we have 6 of them. So let's grab all the hills. We got 1, we got 2, and and we got 3. So we're just missing 3 more. There's 1. I feel like we can never find hills doing a regular track build, but today, look at that. All the hills. We can do the bridges. Now we just have to build up. So we have 2 more spaces. So what we're trying to do is build like a second level and then another one after that. So yeah, so let's put that right here. And yep, it's just like that. And we'll do this. Bridge, another hill right here.
Yeah.
So now this is where we have to figure out the heights. Oops, that's okay. So let's grab some books here. Of our cookbooks. These other books. Here. Actually, it still goes higher. I was right. Oh my gosh. Do this. Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, this way we only have to use 1 book. And I forget about these rocks that we have. Okay.
That's super high.
Yeah. I have to be mindful of all the rocks we have, right? Now we have to build something on that side. Something that's the same. Oh, this is the same height, actually. Oh, but we need 2 of these. We need 2 of these heights. Let's try this. Actually, I need to go 1 book higher. There we go. Okay. What if we did this at the top?
Yeah, that would be so cool.
It's our starting point,
Yeah.
where we send 1 train this way and 1 train this way. We flipped it around. I changed this up here so it just connects right to the 2-story station, and it comes all the way down here. So we have 1, 2, 3 hills. We built up and down. And now we're gonna build the same exact thing on this side, on this side. Okay, so we finished this side of the track. What we need to do, kiddo, is come up with 2 teams, okay? We'll have wooden trains be our captains, okay? Thomas, do you want to be Thomas or the freight train?
Thomas.
Thomas, okay. So you get to pick 1 team member, and then we'll each pick. Okay, you're gonna pick this guy, that's your team. I'll go with Gordon. 2 teams. Team Gordon, run by Dad, and we have Team Thomas, run by Liam. Okay, we found Percy, and Percy will be kind of our little referee. Okay, I'm gonna go with Gordon. Okay, oop. Ready to go. Okay, so let's see who goes the furthest. Oh, nice, so he got right here. He actually went down the track that time, Mr. Thomas. Oh. You go first, Thomas. You still won because I came off here. You go first. Okay. Oh.
You went the first.
Let's see. I'm gonna pick Lightning McQueen. Oh, Lightning McQueen versus Caboose. Go. How far this one goes. Ooh, okay, at the bridge. Okay, Polar Express. Okay. Ooh, Thomas. And train.
Get that.
Okay, who's gonna go first?
Me.
Okay. Let's you go first. What if we try this? What if we went straight away? Yeah. Our track? Oh my gosh, and he went all the way over there. Nice. Nice, cute train. I love it. Red BRIO. Oh, he got stuck in the... He gotta make it.
Thomas, you make it?
Yes, that was like a photo finish, dude. He needs to ride it. Oh, nice, another photo finish. We're having trouble with our camera going down the track because it's so heavy. So I attached 2 trains on either side. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so you saw what happened. Let's try it again. I'm so scared. Yes? Yes?